Hey there drone enthusiasts! If you're looking for a high-quality drone that's packed with features, then look no further than the P10 drone. This amazing quadcopter comes with a high-definition camera and Wi-Fi FPV function, which means you can capture stunning aerial photos and videos with ease. The P10 drone is equipped with foldable arms for easy portability, and its intelligent obstacle avoidance technology ensures that it can navigate around obstacles without any hassle. It also has altitude hold mode for stable flight, and the headless mode makes flying this drone a breeze, even for beginners. But that's not all. This incredible drone also comes with a one-click takeoff, landing, return feature, so you can easily navigate it back home with just a single click. And with its 3.7 volts 1800 mAh modular battery, you can enjoy up to 10 minutes of flight time on a single charge. The P10 drone also has a 4K resolution camera, so you can capture crystal clear images and videos from the sky. Plus, with its Wi-Fi function, you can connect it to your mobile phone and enjoy real-time transmission of your aerial footage. But the best part? This drone also comes with VR 3D experience, allowing you to wear VR glasses and experience the thrill of flying from a whole new perspective. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the P10 drone today and take your aerial photography and videography to the next level. Click the link in the description to purchase this amazing quadcopter now. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this incredible drone. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing drone reviews and be sure to hit that link in the description to get your hands on the P10 drone today. Happy flying!